Hi guys, MaMkize has touched down in Zimbabwe to celebrate the 20-year anniversary of Traverse, a company owned by Zodwa Mnkandla. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. You might have noticed a name change on our channel. Please do not worry about it. It is still the same girl. It is still the same girl. Please do not tire to support. We so much appreciate what you're doing for the channel. So it's got something to do with some dynamics with YouTube as well as our audience. Some of them are complaining that we are using too much of Shona, so they want us to, to be accommodative. Yes, this is what we are doing. Okay, so do not worry. We are going to be bringing a lot of news from all around us, even the rest of Africa. Madam Boss also went with Zodwa Mnkandla to welcome MaMkize because they want to showcase what Zimbabwe can offer. She, according to a statement that she gave, said that she might be interested in investing in Zimbabwe if given a chance. So this depends on what she's going to explore in Zimbabwe right now. Okay, so this depends on the ladies that are going to host her. From the videos that are have inserted there, you can see that they are already in celebratory spirit and they've blended way in Zimbabwe. You might wonder that this woman is a billionaire, but there she is with women that she does not know. Guys, this actually got to me that she is a real African at heart. Not like, oh, these other rich people that cannot even interact with a waiter or a waitress. Wow, guys. She is such a humble soul. We are going to bring in more news as the story unfolds, and we are also going to post some videos of the celebrations. Thank you so much for watching, and please, guys, don't forget to support your girl. You can watch all the adverts. Thank you.